whether it is the right time to discuss the same.
Yes.
Okay, Vikas Yadav, what is your total experience in years?
5.7 years total experience in IT.
I understood it as 5.7. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Okay. In which company you are currently working in?
I am working in Vartusa.
I couldn't understand it properly. Kindly specify your company name clearly.
Vartusa company.
Okay. What technical skill set do you currently possess?
Mainframe technology. JCL Cobol DB2.
Okay. Could you please mention whether you are currently holding any job offers right now?
No, I don't have any offer letter in my hand right now.
Okay, Vikas Yadav. Are you currently serving notice period? If you are serving a notice period, just say yes, otherwise say no.
Yes, I am serving the notice period.
You mentioned that you are currently serving your notice period. May I know how many days are remaining?
60 days is it's remaining right now.
Sorry, I am not able to get your response. Could you please confirm your notice period?
60 days left.
Got it. Okay, Vikas Yadav. Now let us talk about your annual compensation in lakhs. If your current salary is 8 lakhs and 75,000, then just say 8.75. Now, please tell me, what is your current compensation per annum?
14.7 lakh.
I understood it as 14.7. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Can I get your current work location?
Pune.
Okay. What is your preferred location?
Pune only.
Will you be available for an interview if it is scheduled on the 14th of February, which falls on Wednesday?
Yeah, I am okay with that. So we can schedule it by 4 p.m.
I am sorry, I cannot understand it properly. Please let me know if you will be available for an interview if scheduled on the 14th of February, which falls on Wednesday.
Yes, I'll be available.
Are you willing to take up an interview in the morning or afternoon slots?
In afternoon slot.
Thanks a lot, Vikas Yadav, for your valuable time. It's been a great pleasure interacting with you. For sure, we will evaluate all your parameters and come back to you over mail or phone as soon as possible. Have a great day. We'll disconnect now. Bye.